Greetings from Kuala Lumpur. Let me just get my water. I've noticed that when I'm filming, I'm always rubbing my nose like this, and I'm always clearing my throat. So I'm going to try not to do either of those things today. Today I'm going to show you how to create portrait mode videos in LumaFusion. So when you start a new project, I'll use this cursor so you can see it. So let's go to the bottom, start a new project, plus the aspect ratio is what we're talking about. So normally on long form videos, we use the aspect ratio landscape 16:9, but portrait is 9:16. So instead of being like that, it's like that. So this is better for people that are on their phones. So press portrait mode and then name the file. Get into the habit of writing the date as well. So what is it, January 5, 6? And yeah, as much detail as you can so that then when you're later, you'll be thankful. Okay, and then create a new project. So you'll find that when you go into story blocks, a lot of the images, so when they're filmed, they're either filmed landscape or portrait, mostly landscape. So when you go into the footage, so let's use this photo, this picture of an eye. If I want to drag that down, see how it's cut it? Like that. So that's how you do it. You have to basically, you can't use the whole image. The only way to use the whole image, let me show you. If say you wanted the whole eye, so most images, you don't need the whole thing. So let's use another example. Let's use this bee. Now, what you do is you double click on the file. So it opens up. Use this one on the end, the frame and fit, and then you can move it. See this? So obviously you want the bee in it. So you've only got, so the whole image is that, but you've only got that much room. So you want to do that. And then you'll have the whole bee, yeah? Easy, and it's not stretched. So it's a proper image. Now let me show you the eye. Cut that, drag that up. Now say I wanted to have the whole eye, what I would do is make it small and just drag it to the bottom. So that's another way you could do it. If you needed to have a map or something where the whole thing, it's important to see the whole thing. And then what you could do is put 3 images, which is a really nice way to edit. So say you're saying, you know, the top biggest cities in Canada are Toronto, Calgary. You could have an image at the top, Toronto, and then Calgary, and then I can't remember the other one, Vancouver, like that, you know? And it can look pretty cool. Yeah, so what you don't want to do is distort the image and stretch it all out. You want to keep it looking really nice like that. So you'll notice that when you could edit a whole video in landscape 16:9, and then you just go down here to settings, and then you can change it to portrait, but everything's going to be cut. So there might be some things that are missing out of the frame. So you're going to need to go along and change it all. Apparently there's in the DaVinci, which I'm learning at the moment, it uses AI to do it automatically, which is pretty cool. But we're not using DaVinci. So that's how to use portrait mode. Good luck.